вечір. Welcome to Yelena Style. I'm having a date with my husband today. We went to movies. So I'm about to go in and you stay with me to see what outfit I have on. See you in a minute. Привет всем. Welcome to Yelena Styles. Nice to see you on YouTube again. It's been a very long week for me, full of business meetings. So today, my husband takes me to the movies. I love comedies, so we're seeing Identity Theft today. I just want to relax, so I have very casual outfit on. Please take a look. I have plaid shirt. It has V-neck, looks very nice. It has little buttons, rolled up sleeve. Make it look nice also. See? It fits me. I have a belt around my hips. This is a very special belt for me. Come take a close look. It has belt buckle. And it says Mike G. It's my husband's nickname. I love this belt. A lot of people asking me where I got it from. If you want to know, read the description after my video and you will see website where I got it. I had it custom made. It has sparkling rhinestones all over the letters. I love it. I wear it sometimes with jeans or around my hips. No dress pants, no dresses today. I have leggings on. They're black with gold buttons down my leg. Take a look from behind. I think it looks nice. No high heels today also. I am wearing nice comfortable shoes with small heel, so I can walk very easy. They're light colored. They're grey. They show my feet also well. I have my hair straight with 2 braids. Also very casual. Looks nice. In a moment I talk to you about accessories I'm wearing. See you in a minute. Hi. I want to talk more about my cool accessories. I have this cool necklace. It has 2 layers. It has pearls. First layer is pearls. And second layer is cool metal spikes. Some spikes are plain metal. And some has sparkling stones on it. I love spikes. I think they're perfect for casual outfits. I have metal bracelet. It's white. It has cross on it. You can see better. It matches well with my belt. Just take a look again to this belt buckle. I love it so much. Stones are very, very sparkly. I love to wear it. And my last piece are my metal hoop earrings with matching spikes also, matching to my necklace. So I think everything came together nicely. Please take a look all over my outfit. Come take a look from behind. Casual but nice, right? Okay, I'm gonna grab my leather jacket I'm wearing today and I'll see you in a moment. Welcome back. This is one of my favorite leather jackets. You've probably seen it before, but it matches so perfect with my outfit, so I'm wearing it tonight. This is my final spin for you. That's it. Have to go to movies. But before I go, I want to say thank you very much for everybody who watches my video. Thank you for your nice comments. For my upcoming fans, I want to do introductory video soon. So I'm gonna talk about who I am a little more, what I do. For now, check out my Facebook page. I set it up because I want to communicate with you more. It has very cool stuff on it. It has never seen before videos of me when I'm out and about. You can see what I'm wearing. Never seen pictures of my outfits also. As always, new fashion videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Like, share and subscribe. And I see you soon again. Пока!